Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm just starting to do some of my fun shopping. I like to give friends cosmetic and beauty gifts and different things. So I'm doing some of my holiday shopping, and so I just got some of the first batch from Ipsy. And so I have a box full of things here and a couple other things. So we're just going to get into this, and I'm going to share with you what I got for some gifting, some ideas and stuff. Right now you can get great deals in the Ipsy shop. So it's actually my favorite place to buy. So anyway, let's just get to it and see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you guys for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate all those things so much, so thank you for that. And so the first thing I'm going to pull out, I have actually two cute little boxes from Ipsy. I think these are pretty cute, these boxes. Anyway, they're just little holiday boxes, something fun to wrap. You can look all around. It's got fun things in the windows. And anyway, so I'm going to open this one and see what's in this one. This one looks like, actually that's the bottom. Let me go from the top here. No, that is the top. Okay. Well, let's see what we got in here. So I have to pull this stuff out here. Okay, looks like we got 3 items. 1, 2, 3. And this has from Kofi. This is the guava, lip, I don't know if you call it a lip oil, it's a stain. There's the color right there. I do happen to have, in fact, I'm wearing right now the same thing, but it's in the dark color. So that's what I have on. I love it. It's lasting. I actually put this on like hours ago, and I've been filming and it's still going. So there's that. It does help. I also have the Huda Beauty, the stained lip liner too. So anyway, they go good together. But here's the guava one. I'm excited to have it. It's a little bit lighter, kind of a pink color. Gosh, I don't know if I'm going to give this away. I might use the box and put, you know, a couple other things in it. But anyway, here it is right here. And let's see what the color's like. So there's the Doe Fit. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so it's just a pink, a real fun pink. So, oh, I'm excited. So I'm going to keep this. And then I got a couple there's a couple of things from Fenty Beauty in here. These are, let's see. Well, they're kind of a highlighters, but this one looks like it's kind of a bronzer. And, you know, I love Fenty Beauty stuff. So anyway, there it is. So it is kind of a dark, kind of a rose gold. It's just can be a blush or highlight, whatever you want it to be. So there's that one. And the other one is going to be like a champagne-y color, I believe. And so there's the color. And so here is, there it is. So it's really pretty. So once again, these are nice. These will be nice gifts. So those two things came in one of these boxes. And then the other box, I believe, is a hair one. And this box, let's see here. We've got 2 hair products from my favorite, Amika. This will make a wonderful gift for someone. I really want to keep it because I will use these. I do use these. Took this on vacation. This is just your the Wizard. This is a detangling and just kind of a conditioning spray you put on your wet hair. And this right here is a Superfruit. It's a Superfruit Star lightweight hair styling oil. So this is kind of, I think it's a spray also. I've been using this. I should know because it's a spray or not, because I've been using it, and it is, yeah. So you just spray this on your hair, lightly spray this on your hair. I do it on my hair when it's pretty dry. And anyway, you can just, it just helps to style. I sometimes will do that and then use I have a big blow dry brush that I use and put that in there. But anyway, I love these two products. Love them. So I'm happy to have that little gift for someone. So there's that. And the next thing I have in here, I don't know why they said you're supposed to be able to send 5 at a time. I don't know if I paid for all these or what, but I just thought these little bags were so cute because nowadays you can just clip the bag on your chain, your phone chain or your purse chain or whatever. So they have these little bags just to put, I thought I'd give these out and put like a little lipstick in it or something, a couple little items like that, and give these to some friends or some of my nieces or something. So there's that. And then also I got, the limit was 5 on these. I thought these were even cuter, these ones that say glam on it. So there's that. So I got 5 of those. And then also I have all kinds of stuff in here, you guys. So this is some of my these are my favorites. These are called the Polite Pops, and I think these were 2 for so I got 2 for 1 in the shop. This is Polite Society, and this is the color. These are blushes, you guys. Right now, this is my favorite blush. I love this blush, and I'm so glad that they came back on. So I bought several. I think I bought these, and I think I bought more because I'm going to give these to friends too because they're right now my favorite. I do have it on right now. So anyway, love this blush. I got 2 of those. And then from LYS Beauty, which I am a big fan of, I love their foundation. So they happen to have this for a really good price in the shop. This is the powder, and I want to see what it looks like here. So we're going to open it. Anyway, I love their fun triangle. It's just different. And this is just their loose setting powder. That's what it looks like from the back, whatever. It's just really cute. So anyway, from LYS Beauty, looks like it's just a translucent, setting powder. So there we got that to kind of go with my foundation that I love from them. If you've watched my videos, you know I just picked up some more of their foundation, I think at Sephora sale. But anyway, so there's that. Then I'm loving anything Rhodile right now, and they happen to have a lot of Rhodile in the shop, so I'm just loving the Rhodile stuff. This is the Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. No idea if I can remember, but it's just an oil. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful box. Seems like it's a little bit thicker oil. I don't know much about it. I'm going to have to read about it. I think this is a good one you can put on and then use your gua sha or whatever and just kind of soak it into your skin. And so anyway, I'm excited about that. That's definitely a product I want. So there's that. And so I believe that's it, you guys. That's it for this. I got all these fun little bags. The 2, my favorite blushes, the LYS powder, this Diamond Glow oil. I got the fun set here with the box here with the 2 Fenty Beauties and the Kofi. So that was fun. I think this was maybe like 15 or 18 on sale. I don't know. Anyway, for those 3 items. And then I got this other box with the fun hair stuff from Amika, which is my favorite stuff. So anyway, there's these. Here's this. So let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you so much for that. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And so that's it for this video. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.